looks like COVID is here to stay, and our culture is the greatest enemy, because our culture, if you go around to the markets and you walk around, people are not wearing masks. If you look around yourselves, I think if anybody was given credit for social distancing, I'm the only one who will get. All of you have assumed that the mask is enough. But we must attempt also to social distance. And so our children are at school and they will remain there. The big groups that are there. They are doing well, you have seen for yourselves. There are challenges, this disease which is reflected by the general population outside. And so, like I said yesterday, we are not thinking of closing the schools, we are thinking of going on with exams, and we are preparing for the exams right now. In terms of going forward, there's a lot of pressure from the public that we should open our schools, but we are still consulting on the issue. And the big question nobody has answered, because COVID has come, and it is like it has come to stay. We had the peak 2 months ago. The second peak seems to be higher than the first one. Will there be a third peak or not? And if there is a third peak, do we still keep the children at home? And the answer is definitely no, because life must continue. But as that life continues, I want to challenge our country people to change their mindsets and culture, because culture is going to destroy the best strategy that we have for the government. And I'm using you as my colleagues here right now. Your culture of not listening and not doing what you are required to do has made you just to congregate as usual. And all other people, even those who are meeting for whatever reason, nobody is saying you should not meet outside and do things, but remember that you should be far from each other.